welcome back to my channel. So today I just deposited $5 on this my trading account, so I want to trade with it. Okay, so I'm going to trade with it using my supply and demand strategy. Here is GBUSD on the 4 hours time frame. So GBUSD on the 4 hours time frame, we can see it clearly at its demand zone right now. Okay, so guys, this is its previous supply level, okay, where it dropped from, and it's currently at its demand level. Okay, so guys, I'm expecting two things from this level. So it's either it pull back to this level here and then it drop down to this level, or it go up straight from this level to this level here. So guys, I'm taking my buys. Okay, so I'm taking my buy from this level. So I've entered with 0.05 already, so I can add one more 0.02. Okay, so this is the position I'll be holding for now. So so that whenever the market starts going up, it will trigger more position and it will maximize my profit. I'm going to place some pending buy orders. Okay, so let's switch to 15 time frame so I can see where I'll place my pending buy orders. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be placing my buy orders on these levels here: 1.21, 850, 900, 970, and 22040. Okay, or I might just place it 850, 900, and 970. So guys, let me place my pending buy orders. So and also 1.1970. Okay, so guys, since my capital is not big, so we are going to be using these pending positions for now. Okay, so if market starts going up, my pending orders will get triggered. Okay, so I'm using a 1300 leverage, so I think most of them are going to be triggered. Okay, and I know maybe some are not going to be triggered because of my balance, which is $5. Okay, so guys, let's go back and come back and see what's gonna happen. Okay, so the broker I use, they allow me to use up to 1:3000 leverage. Okay, so you can check on this video description so that you also can register with them. Okay, so let's go and come back and see what's gonna happen here.
A few moments later.
So guys, our GBUSD now running over $1,200 profit right now. Okay, so it's running over $1,200 profit right now. So this is the demand zone where we started entering our trade from, and then see as it keeps going up, our trades got executed. Some didn't got executed, okay, but most of them got executed and running over $1,000 right now. Okay, so guys, I'm expecting it to reach this level right here. Okay, so but I told you guys that two things can happen: either it goes up, drop, or it goes to this level. So it is going up right now, so it's either it drop from here or it goes to this level. So but now I'm going to close all my trades now because I'm okay with this profit now. So guys, the broker which I use, they allows me to use up to 1,3,000 leverage. So that is how I can enter these more trades. Okay, so you wanna join the broker, you check on the link on my video description. Okay, so guys, and also I have a free Telegram channel where I share 95% accurate forex accounts daily. So if you want to join, check on this video description. Okay, so guys, look at our $5 now turned $1,109. Okay, so guys, that's how we do it. Okay, so you identify your supply and demand zone, wait for market to reach the level, check for reaction. Reaction is very, very necessary. Okay, so and then you make your entry. Okay, without reaction it is high risky. So guys, that is what we do here. So if you want to be a successful trader, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Okay, so you should subscribe. Thanks.